sauce. See how thick? Yeah, how thick that sauce is, guys. If you could smell the aroma. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Sarah's House of Flavor. I hope everyone is having a beautiful day. If it's night you're able to watch this video, I hope your night is going well. And I just want to give a big welcome as usual to everyone. Welcome, welcome. If it's the first time you're coming across my channel, I want to give a special welcome to you. Welcome to Sarah's House of Flavor. If you have not subscribed as yet, also subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so when I upload any new videos you will be notified. And to all my beautiful subscribers, continue to support this channel, continue to help me grow this channel, right? Remember to like, share. And so today we are going to make some authentic Jamaican curry chicken. Yes, that is what is on the menu today. Stick around, watch the video to the end so you can see exactly how I make this dish. All right, so let's get the ball rolling. All right, so we're going to start making our curry chicken. I'm excited. Come on. All right guys, so now we're gonna go ahead. Right, we have our chicken here already been washed, seasoned. Add some vegetables, some carrots, some Irish potato, onion, and season with whatever season. I add some chicken season as well as my turmeric, garlic. Yes, so now I have my oil over there in the pot already being heated. I am just going to pour my chicken into the pot. For here, I will not be adding my vegetables, just my chicken for now, right? Because you know that the vegetable is much easier to cook, right? So let's go over and add our chicken here. All right, so we're just going to add our chicken. Let me turn my flame up a little bit. Let me just put the chicken in there first. Right, so we're just going to, you know, 1 or 2 pieces of the vegetable definitely will escape, but that's fine. Alright. How are you guys doing? I hope you're having a blessed day. Yes, my day is going on pretty well. I know it has been a long time. I am not as consistent as I should be when coming on to my channel. Let's turn the flame up a little on this, but I am trying my endeavor best, you know, just to come back on track as it relates to posting my videos. All right, so just gonna allow that to simmer down right for a while. So now we're gonna check on our chicken. As you can see, the steam and everything. Yeah, gonna check on the chicken here, right? As I said to you guys, the chicken will produce its own juice. I'm allowing the chicken to simmer in its own juice. Yeah, so that is what is happening right now with our chicken. Look at that, how beautiful that is. So I'm gonna allow it, you know, to cook some more before I go ahead and add any other ingredients. Over here I'm having my rice and peas. Guys, if you could smell the aroma, wow, wow, the coconut milk and the scallion, the thyme and everything is just really flavor of the place, right? Okay guys, so now we're gonna check on our curry chicken to see how it's going. Wow, wow, look at that. So now I'm gonna add all the seasoning, everything here. Combine everything here. Look at that. My God, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. It's rich. Man, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna just add a little water here that I have in the kettle. You know, and just make sure everything, all the season is out here. But that's what is happening right now. My flame is up, right? Look at that. You can see how the turmeric, we say in Jamaican terms, stay in the pot, right? Look at that. So that's what is happening with our curry chicken. Almost ready. Guys, it smells so good. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little Scotch bonnet pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper here. I'm just gonna add it right on top there. Yeah man, and allow this just to simmer down. I'm not sure how hot this pepper is, you know, but I'm just gonna allow this, you know, just to simmer down for a few more minutes. Allow my vegetables, you know, to cook, and then dinner is ready, guys. So let's cover back here. All right. Alright guys, so you can see our curry. Let's look at that, look at the sauce. See how thick? Yeah, how thick that sauce is, guys. If you could smell the aroma. Right? The sauce is at the right consistency. I'm gonna turn my flame off now, and we're gonna get dinner all plate out, yeah. But that's my curry, Jamaican curry chicken, right? Yeah man, that's the Jamaican curry chicken. So let's turn our flame off here because it's already finished. All right, we are finished, right, with our curry chicken. So I go ahead and, you know, serve it with some nice rice and peas, some cauliflower and broccoli. So this is what dinner is looking like. Yes, this is the end product of our curry chicken, authentic Jamaican curry chicken. All right guys, thank you for watching. Continue to like and share and subscribe if you have not subscribed as yet, and remember to give this video a thumbs up. Blessing guys, and see you soon in Sarah's House of Flavor. Blessings.